Hello guys, welcome back to another special sound video. Today we're going to be going over some new sounds and I'm excited to get started. So go ahead and say this with me. Ready, begin. Thir in 3, T-H-R. R in stars, A-R. Ch in church, C-H. Or in morning, O-R. Ow in out, O-U. Ow in owl, O-W. O in bowl, O-W. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. Oi in coin, O-I. Oi in boy, O-Y. In book, O-O. Oo in tooth, O-O. Were in worms, W-O-R. I in night, I-G-H. All in ball, A-L-L. Awk in walk, A-L-K. Ing in pointing, I-N-G. Now, the one we're going to learn today is N in not, K-N. Now remember, the K is silent. That means the only sound you're going to hear is the N sound. So listen, it comes always at the beginning of the word. Whenever you see the KN at the beginning of the word, know, uh-oh, this K is silent. Don't let it trick you. So this is how it goes. Maybe we should do the motion not, like make like a knot. So N in not, K-N. Let's do it again. N in not, K-N. You do it by yourself. Good job. Now go ahead and get out a piece of paper and a pencil, and we are going to be writing down some words that have this special sound K-N. All right? Here we go. Go ahead and write this word down, and if you see another special sound that's on here, go ahead and circle that as well. Okay, now we're going to circle it. Is this what you did? Did you circle that KN? Remember it says N, and then the O is short, so we put the little smile above, and then CK, K in duck, CK. So let's try to sound it out together. N, A, K, knock, 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 who's there? Now you guys go ahead and use the word knock in a sentence. Good job. All right, now let's go ahead and do a new word. Here's your new word. Go ahead and write this one down and circle the special sound. All right, you should have circled this. Did you circle the KN? Yes, that's a special sound. N, and this E says eh, so N, L, knelt, knelt, knelt. I knelt on the floor to pick up my clothes. Knelt. Go ahead and use the word knelt in a sentence. Good job. Now we're going to do another one. Go ahead and pause the video, write this word down, and circle the special sound. All right. All right, you should have circled KN, which is N. And remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, and it's always a long sound. So that means this second one is silent, which makes this one long. So it says E. So let's try to sound it out. N, E, knee, knee. On your body, you have a knee that is between your thigh and your lower part of your leg, your knee. It helps you to walk. Go ahead and use the word knee in a sentence. Good job. All right, now let's go ahead and write one more word. Here we go. Go ahead and write this word down for me. And then I want you to circle the special sound. All right. If you need to, pause the video so you can finish. All right, here it is. We have KN says N. And remember that silent E, got to cross that out, which makes this vowel in here say the long sound, the long I, which says I. So let's sound it out together. N, I, F. N, I, F. Knife. Knife. I use a knife to cut my sandwich. Now you please use knife in a sentence for me. Thank you. All right, good job. I'm so proud of you and all your hard work today. Remember, I will see you guys next time. You can watch one of these a day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.